down your foot. There's something out there where you must can do. There's something where you must like. So I don't know what you think about, but as you know, Paul Bogle Junior High, them offer electrical, general construction, housekeeping, plumbing, and a variety of things where you can choose. My punchy, things really rough. I know you know this.
Yes, Daddy, I understand.
And I like more push out there. Me that do the world for you. I'm here, Daddy. And anything me can do for make you happy, me go do it. But just be here with me. You have to help me. You have to help me. So, what you need for the Monday morning, you're going to high school bright and early. Your friend Sandra Lee, you can tell her on the 2 hours go down because she get fair subject them too. And say what you like. And then we take it from there. I want the best for you.
Yes, Daddy, I understand. And me are going to make you proud. Because we know the struggles we go through. And you know, so I like cosmetology. I mean, even me do my hair, you know. I love every bit of it. I mean, even want to have one shop. Because I love Jesus Christ. Well, Daddy, I understand. And I know the struggles we go through. I'm going to make you proud. And you know, I love cosmetology. I love the hair. I even the one me that think about to have one shop to do cosmetology, like hair and nails and all of that. So I always think about the hair. And even me do my hair now.
Alright.
So I'm good on it.
Understand.
I'm sure we come out to something better.
Alright. So at Paul Bogle High School, I said them offer cosmetology along with some other things. I know you do well. I feel like I'm dominate it. I believe in you. I have you from your local baby, from your local tact. I mean, I give up on you. I just wish me did have more for offer, but as you know. But at the end of the day, just have to push on. You just need to help me. You just need to come on board and play your part. I will support you as much as I can with the look I have, but you just have to help me out. Come on, so long we up here. Almost night, you know. So come in. What do I want for dinner though? Yeah, but here we are. Yeah man, so I'm gonna tell them I want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Life is a funny thing. My teacher used to beat something the girls in it. Every day Miss Aggie used to come in and sing, "Girls, when climbing the ladder of success, don't let a guy look under your dress, because he will say it looks fine, but in 9 months' time it's not mine."
No, Daddy,
You laugh. You could take it as a joke. But remember, me and your father, I want the best for you. And that's why me I say it. You might see it as a joke, but take it very seriously. You have some youth, them cunning. Them are going to tell you the world when them want to look at something there. And them are going to say the use you. Them give you everything. Just that one moment there. And you see the moment them let go that look at Joes there, I hit that. You know, you hear back from them, you know, see them and just disappear. You wonder if it's a ghost. Be careful.
Yes, Daddy.
Be warned.
Yes, Daddy. But I'm not really interested in a no boy. I only focus on my cosmetology and a school I'm interested in and to have my own shop and make you proud. That's all.
Tosh, I'm going to tell you, nothing wrong if you see one local guy where you like, because you're a girl. You're a girl and them say opposite attracts. And that's why you have the magnet attract to steal and them local thing there. So you're going to see one local man where you like, a man I go see a local girl where you like, that's natural. You see me? The problem with me to have is if you see one girl and like one girl, that's a no-no. Not in a marriage you.
No, Daddy, I'm not depending something there. Girls to girls. No?
So funny. You laugh. You laugh. A serious thing. And the reason I tell you this is because I whole heap of distraction there road. We need to understand life. Life is not easy better roads as how you see it. You need to understand, say, yo, what happening in the world today is crazy. I mean, I got there 24/7 if you can guide you. Yes, I'm a phone call away. But at the same time, you must think about that at the time. So what more you do, more you be able to think and think very swiftly. Understand? Don't make nobody trick you, don't make nobody use you.
Yes, darling.
If you see one way you like, you search him out, and then you can decide from there. You can come and talk to me. I'm here for you. Some people fear to talk to them about sex and all them things. I'm not going to hide nothing from you. Them tell them so they drop out of sky and all them foolishness. So that's why I pick them hide and do it. Instead of play hide and seek and them things. But you're grown. You have life. Anyways, I get something to catch up my stomach. So if you want to eat food in the kitchen.
Alright.
Tasha! 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 What going?
Nothing.
You know, it's around the corner, I see you doing something, just compel me for call you. What's up?
I'm here.
You have to tell me, sir, Natasha. What's up?
It's Natasha, my name. I'm Sasha.
Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. You know, I must have got it confused. So, you know, can I get to know you? Tasha! 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 Tasha!
Oh.
Hey, what's up? I thought that was you. Hi.
I'm Natasha, my name. I'm Sasha.
Oh, I'm sorry, I must have got it confused. You know? Yeah, I saw you walking down there and I was compelled to come speak to you. Can I get your number?
Yeah. I don't know you. Who are you?
You don't remember me?
No.
I'm Epic. Nice to meet you.
From?
You really don't remember me?
I can't.
You don't remember me? I'm Epic. We got to the same registration. Remember we were registering, you were registering for cosmetology, I think, and I was doing barbering. You don't remember me? Epic?
No, I can't recall. No, I can't remember you.
Well, that's fine, you know, but still, I was admiring you from the other day and I was just wondering if I could get to know you some more.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from around the area, I live around here. You know, every day I saw you and I just was compelled to come speak to you right now, so
Okay.
I wanted to try my luck. Could I get your number?
Maybe next time when we book up. Maybe next time me give you it. Alright?
But we're booking up now and like this is the next time. I just never said anything the first time.
Alright, may I give me number. They can't call me certain time. After 8 is a no-no.
That's okay.
They get me right name, Sasha.
Alright, it was nice speaking to you.
What the?
Yes, this is the cell phone video, people. So, me I try work for one, like, I don't know my story them set already. Me I try work for one, like, single father concept kind of thing, how single father household work with him that and man a looking that and him something. But, I don't know, people, me tell you something. As I know see a Richie work hard, you know. Richard Brown them they do so seriously hard work because like me don't want to get one Father's Day concept thing it done for you guys where as me I say how the household or how I imagine a household to be with a single father and him daughter and him have trouble with man I look him daughter and them kind of something there. But me don't know, probably because me the police and me have one whole heap of different people that come so me have one understanding of certain things. But me think probably for the average person it's kind of difficult for them to recreate that kind of picture. So like me don't know. But I will forever be trying these things until me probably buck up on a group of people where it thing just mesh one kind of way. But me there people, me I try a thing. As you remember there I try a thing and me I tour out the whole of Jamaica. And I meet new people, I film all of that. But one that I looked on a while ago is basically just a synopsis. Kind of argue. Anjo, you can ban every young bike, please. Just ban every single one of them. Every one of them. They don't make no sense in our place. Or not ban them. Get them to take off the load muffler business there. But yeah, people, as my dad say, that is not really is the one just watch if I kinda give one well. I just share something I play with, one kind of idea or a concept I try to develop. And then I go back to the drawing board, write up again and thing. But because I'm not posting a while and it's because I take up this thing for myself now about more I shoot full length movie. But that's it rough. It rough. Especially when you alone I do it as the shooter, the director, the editor. Like when I feel head alone, the picture in a one kind of way you have to like paint out everything and I shoot for editing. Yeah man, it really get tiring and all them something. Then I was up and down and all over the place again. Yeah, but still there people, my dear man. Bless upon yourself, manners and respect for the support, Jano. Thank you for this tremendous amount of support on I give me people. I'm not stop film. It's just that I'm not get comfortable yet, like I'm not settle down like nowhere yet or find one group of people where I feel like say yo, yeah, I can't really tell some story when I want to tell. Because I can't do comedy. My life not really have no whole heap of joke in it. So I can't really tell comedy. But anyways, enough of my chatting now. Pick up on yourself later and you know me soon. More video come man. No run yourself. Video come. I look at I'm supposed to look this. Later. Remember to subscribe. Look more. Judge God. What going on now? Alton they over there so people so my thing I know I have to try get him out of the Alton! Where there? No tell your girlfriend that. Hi! Morning! How are you? You recognize me? Alton have to tell them so they don't have to talk to stranger my youth. Can we see? Hi. Can we see pretty baby? Yeah, the camera. Which other camera?
So good morning.
What a boy. Yeah, you make this a pretty baby girl, a boy.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi. Hi. Watch him. Show off, you see? Show off, you see? Show off, boy. Sultan.
Eh?
Where's the way are there now?
We'll call a girl and find out.
Call a girl.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, call a girl. It's Lexi.
Yeah.
From 876 Cashman TV. You know, what do you think about Lexi though? What do you think about Lexi and acting on movies?
At first, I go actually see.
Or what you expect though? Based on what you see in a Cashman TV.
I expect to get a wonderful show today.
Expect to get a wonderful show?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Definitely.
So a young miss name?
This is Mia Rain Garden.
Oh, cool. Hi, Mia. How old is she?
She's 1.
That's a good.
Plus.
Big up yourself. So, you ready now?
I'll call her, I'll find out. It's already, I'll find out.
Oh, so we are call up. So let me know. Lock me out of that place. The Chihuahua over there. Look how ugly dog there. But Alton, I can't have video. I can't have video. Eh? I have to stay out. Okay, so for reason you probably won't understand, I'm going to stay out right out there with the camera. So you say ready now? Oh, so go time, ready now. Make him you come spend some time with your family. I go do it man. So I might do that. Forward now, pick up Lexi as I did tell before. Yeah. I haven't met Lexi ever. Kinda excited for me her. I want to ask about the whole Tavi and World Dog and who else is there on that show there again? Tavi, World Dog, Dino Crazy, Jaja. Would I interview one Dino Crazy too, you know? ask him about the Hammond's Canva. As the tune the name of the hit when we do the partner. Wicked Man Chris. Yeah. What's the man that takes a lot? Alright, so it look like a go time right now.
I'm ready.
You ready? Get one. Can I get a scissors? A scissor? Can I get one scissors, my boss?
Scissors?
Yeah.
Scissors?
You have seen for mash up that okay.
Well. Brother, I inform for me certain things, brother. I inform for me.
If you know what I shoot and when certain things don't catch in the camera, I just don't catch. You inform for yourself.
Good morning.
Hi. So, a lady look like Judge Ty. But anyways, apparently them not ready yet, so we have to look a bit more waiting. But when I make no watch nothing too boring, so we have to cut as in already bloop, and then we come back, probably come back, meet up Lexi. I don't know, but I'm not gonna watch nothing lame, so come more for now.
Alright, so remember the pointers then. I, because you're crying.
I have to watch that one first. And then
No, so yeah, you're not crying, man. Then you go to that after this. Man, no, I'm not crying. No, they can't do something's wrong, something's wrong. Go back, check it, you understand?
action. Alright, so people, that was before we actually meet Lexi. Now at this point we do a move and everything already. Richie there edit it up over there, so what do I think of Lexi? Someone tell me. We'll ask some people first. Hey Papa! Yeah. Did you work with Lexi? Did you get a chance to work with Lexi? Did you meet her?
You could ask me that question. What a wonderful joy. I love that girl. I know Lexi a long time before Lexi. First I was friend with Lexi a long time before.
Oh, I didn't know her before we got pick her up.
I know her before she's up.
876 or something.
Before that and before social.
How long you know Lexi from when?
From she just started off in YouTube.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about her work ethic and her acting and all of that?
I'm not gonna lie, she's bad.
She bad?
I know. I want to promote her in one of the movies that I'm doing. So Lexi, stay tuned.
Oh, alright. So don't tell me what you think. Don't tell me what you think, man. Yo, brown one.
Hey bro, what's going on?
You did get work with Lexi?
No, you know, so we never get to do see no Lexi do.
You meet her though?
Yeah, we meet her, she's a nice person.
Oh.
Actually, you know, she's not a bad person.
You didn't watch Cashman TV 876? You watch it?
No, I didn't watch it.
Oh, cool. Me see I never meet Lexi yet. Richie not there for me ask him anything about Lexi. I think if I ask like a reserve in your opinion, so can't ask him nothing either. But me think about her? I like work with her. Like I like acting with her.
Yeah.
Me know I can't manage her as a director. I can't manage her as a director, but apart from that acting, yeah. She's an amazing girl. Nice work with our work ethic up. Yeah, big up yourself, Lexi. Alright, that, little more. Big up on yourself. And yes, movies are come, but as time goes by, and with the lockdown, things, movies are come. Don't worry yourself. Just stay loyal, click the notification bell, subscribe for your first time, and definitely stay tuned, man. We are upgrading things. So you know, so when you upgrade, it takes some time. Even when you upgrade a computer or your phone, it takes some time and then restart. And, yeah, so that are going. Some movies are come. Don't worry yourself. Make sure you subscribe, you know, and hit the notification bell and share the content. Check out previous content for previous videos for entertaining content. Let's come on. Morning, people. So I don't know what time it is, but I get some behind the scenes from Richard, bro. Yeah, come on. See, this way.
This one look like he enjoyed him.
Who?
Him.
Yeah,
Like he look like he want to say, oh, I'll give Alexi.
No, like,
Alexi time.
I should not like licking, you know.
Time up Alexi.
But when a woman sexy and animal slap you, every time you slap your body jerk, you feel goodness every time you slap every time you just... Oh.
Oh, okay, alright. Alright, time up there.
No, cause yo, you might get the best you know, dirty dog. I should not like the lick though. But you get to say everything to the front of your face. I just have to laugh if it makes you feel too good. Everything that up teeth. That's what woman say about the reaction, you know.
Sure, what
Curious in a total control. I just you for make sure I say this.
Curious in a total control?
Yeah, that's the normal thing man talk about.
Oh, okay. No, I like them things, but I don't like lick.
So you don't like lick, man?
No, only one lick a woman must lick a eye. As a Rastafari, I'm a king. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Right.
man, solid ground.
Yeah, Rasta a bonfire for them thing then.
No, get your tongue to use it. But where you go lick with it though? I have a lot of things on me you can lick.
No input, Mr. Bro.
You know somebody with lick.
I'm just here to direct.
Okay. Alright.
Now somebody with
I
lick,
don't indulge in those type of conversations.
No, I'm found for upon certain things are wrong. Yeah, things you must not lick. There are things that you must not lick, you know, you have to have a boundary. But there are things that you can lick.
Yeah, man, I'm a child of God. I don't indulge in certain type of conversation.
Okay.
I leave them to the worldians.
Rasta was all the world, yeah.
No, you're not the world, man, I'm part of the world. It's just that. Because listen, love is a wonderful thing, you know. Where life is concerned. Come on, say I live for, really. No matter how much money I have, you can't make you feel good.
Yeah,
Can't make you what?
Lexi. So meanwhile I fix up the place. Just talk about the movie for this.
Listen, money can't make you
Yes,
do
see,
what
last time I did talk about the movie. You guys said me chat about the movie. Yes,
No,
me
no,
and
good.
Claire chat about the movie.
No, they must talk. I'm here to talk to one now, so it's good and you can
I just enjoy
talking.
You just enjoy beat him
I
up.
enjoy it.
Okay.
And the sweat, you know, like everything.
You like
You
it,
man,
man?
yeah, slavery thing is the white people whip the black people.
enjoy it.
And that you like?
That even hurt me. I wouldn't buy my English really.
Go on that shit. Ready?
Yeah, take revenge all of the woman them out there.
Everybody, remember said if making call him, I apologize.
Yeah, man, that was dinner, man, you know. And then you will call a friend.
Wait, gun there, give me gun.
You go down like bed,
Yeah.
man, right in there. So you take a chance from where you sleep now, you wake up, brother dog, you wake up before she, you know. Because we were there, try to pull it. Try to take a teeth and try to pull off one of them. You see, you can go down there. Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
I try to pull it. And man, get up and say, what you do? You pull off one hand. Pull one hand. When you pull out one and get up, go on the outside. Oh, look at here. I treat us like green I come from. Where green I come from here?
Green?
Green I come here.
Green?
Oh, I like it. Oh.
No man, something I'm here still, but
Come here, son. Green look.
Green, I guess.
shampoo.
Why you stubborn no rats? Look at the shampoo. We can put shampoo in the head. We can put in the head. Where shampoo there? When you rough here, you bump up like the shampoo in the head now. You look on the camera and say, is it? No, pick up the still. Don't pick up so much. Ready, let's go.
No, that was. Go on, sleep. Let me get that shit.
Alright, mama.
Not your altar, you're here.
Fully sleep. Oh, you sleep. You want to in your mouth? No.
No, man, that's not.
I see you see sexy.
Don't give anything right now.
Yeah, if you watch it. So I can't turn my back. So
Yeah, if you watch it,
if
man.
you watch.
Contact second.
You got phone and go use my car. You take your phone and my car. Oh, you use your phone.
I feel phone even make call with him man.
Yeah, can you pay phone?
Jackie, me soon call
Yeah,
you.
no,
Yeah,
no,
me
no,
be
nice.
here. Me call you. Me soon call you back.
Bam, and you try to call your phone on the
Yeah,
credit.
phone call.
You put your phone, so I'm call your friend if you don't know your number.
Oh shit, my phone have credit.
So now credit of your phone to somebody who want it.
Yeah, me drop off something already.
You mean phone then?
So now somebody, and left one look at change find that they call
Yeah,
somebody.
me have video. Me soon call you back. Me soon call you.
You can call somebody, you call some girl number in your phone and say I'm sorry. You can call them for you like a prank call and like damn. Any woman answer just say oh I'm sorry. For what? For everything that I've done. Pump him up here. You know what I mean?
I'm a three segment.
Alright, so what I want to know, can I borrow this for a minute? In the meantime, Sham can do some writing.
Yeah, make sure it's somewhere.
Write someone you
Yeah,
know.
but in the next page.
Alright, go on
Second
sleep.
page.
Let's start. Sleep, like me.
Just write on your man's number.
Yeah man.
Susie, Antoinette, Patricia,
So like a young girl, better than
Stacy,
Very Susie.
Valerie,
Write them across them off here. Like a girl, let me go through. Right pants.
Shannon Stewart.
Don't put the reason why they can't go. You go call you know.
Sleep out and sleep. So when you sleep out and now, are you about I will start child police up here. There's a add Shannon Tour name funny. Shannon Tour.
You look like you enjoy that too much though. You enjoy yourself way too much with that thing there.
What you got on it?
I'm hungry.
What?
No, I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry. Yeah.
Good and hungry.
Yes.
Wait, one and pulling out and yeah, but
You good man, but now if you buy it, you go up on it now. You good man. Loose off all the man. Loose off all the foot too.
No, no, give me so much work, man.
No, listen.
Make you lose it and them and was about to lose it.
So by the time you lose it, yeah, get up. Guys, what you want? You want them say, rascal, they nervous. Yo, girl, wake up. Girl, get up. You want them in the house. So jog it slow. Make people get the time. Can't say that. Girl, get up.
Still go back in your sleep. Meanwhile,
Go in your
man,
sleep.
do that. Meanwhile, man, do that. So Alton, pretend like you're pulling foot and then go down to the arm. Pretend like you're putting hand and then ground to you.
You put one on the arena.
Ground to you for now. Stay in the character, man. Stay in the character, please. You go on down and pull. Yeah, well, I'm going to move over this out there. Like, see, this time you can probably wake up here.
Yeah.
Sleep. Action.
Not so fast, right?
I'm going to write this up. Things are not so fast again.
Go down and then come up again. Go down.
Like to enjoy.
You love them same man. And the viewers them go love them type of girl.
Go now, let's see.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see a man.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ready.
Not so fast. Think you're good.
No, man, I shouldn't put on shouldn't put on a gun. We have put on a gun.
You're not so frightened. You're not so frightened. I can take up a gun for sure.
No, man, what about a gun, man? We have put on a gun, man.
Hold more time up.
Yeah?
Hold more time up back. Yeah, I'm telling you to take up your hand, I'm take up your
Yeah, tell me.
You're not careful then.
Are you ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Take back your hand. Take back your hand them. Move fast.
We can't take.
Take back your hand them. Take up one hand. No.
I'll get your person put it better out. I'm ready.
Before you think you're Yeah,
Yeah, I enjoy this little bit too much, you know. Wait.
Oh, that didn't I script. See what I kiss after me. I'll leave me feeling really good now.
Right, time to put that on a serious face.
Oh, yeah.
Don't sing, ready on recording. Oh, you're so shine, Alton. Love your sweat so shine.
I love yourself.
Yeah, I love you, Alton. Oh.
No man, I love my daddy, not my idea.
I'm not on my part like this.
You know what long is Alta? And I set it fine tune for the date. So,
Months, you know, get nothing. Not dog years.
and they fly past.
Yeah, I'm a rope.
Good.
I just rope a rat.
Rat your fault.
Should I just cut off piece out?
Ready now?
Alright, so what we have for answer?
Alright, so what I rope at is that teacher now.
But I say, I could just indicate I should get one new one and use it. Because better use this one after.
No, you can't do that. Find it on them.
No, you're not free to pull out.
Hey, just imagine now. Our papa is a vehicle. They set up in nice like our official pastry place, you know, man. I want them to find people, you know. They must step on a little thing and they not them. I'll go reach up nothing, you know. Nice and refined and nice. What am I going to do?
Hello?
One, wait.
Cameras are still rolling.
Are the phone done shoot last night?
No, we don't shoot.
We don't shoot.
No, man,
Early,
we
early.
don't shoot the tree.
No. No, not so late.
I'm going to wait for a client.
No, we didn't do
We're on the phone.
And then we're not going to wait for him saying it was some.
Don't wake up. What don't you do?
No, in the special arbitrage and something.
Think you're trying to leave?
No, it's the interest when you get them saying
Tell me off more. She win there.
Alright, here we go.
So you have to go to that again.
What?
Oh,
No, man.
Oh.
You go on time, this is the time when I'm loose up, so you can do rope here. Open up, what your number, what your password? Pull a phone. Come with the idea this morning. You go apologize to all of the women them where you heard.
YouTube update the Instagram.
Alright? So that's basically what we're gonna do. Everybody understand? So this is
Update the school.
so this is our rope
No,
here.
I think they are bottom. We just pick over.
I feel our room is not true.
No, I'll tell you.
I think when we come in,
They come in our room. How do you come in our? Where is it going?
Don't you put the rope in our pocket? In our pocket.
No, rope
No,
there,
we should
man.
look in Nigeria and find.
If
I
I
don't
don't
take it down pocket, so you have to walk with extra. You know?
No man, see sister go come. Make you book the rope in our sir. So you can book the rope in this year and say if you not do, you know something. If you not do, me tell you if you do. This is more rope in Nigeria. Hey man, here.
From the Caribbean and France.
So
Caribbean.
when you say you're gonna make a call, you say no do that.
Look up front, look up front.
Okay, and if a post gunshot, people go hear it. That thing go say. You understand? So you want to have conversation. So you go tell him that they say, oh, you're not going to call them, you're not apologize to them. So, and if you fire everybody go here, everybody wake up in the morning. No. You know what I mean? If you want to go to prison. So you may go to prison for you. Because you know what I mean? Very prison. But anyway, you go find him up, you go in the charge to go to the room. And then you can tell everyone in it now and say everyone now. You can't just hang your hand down, nobody not here. And at the same time, when you say that no, that after you're going to say, you have to call them. So if you're going to make a start, you call them. You start calling, start apologize to them. So you go call some random somebody with your phone, you're a female. When they answer, when the speaker, you say, yo, I'm sorry. No matter what they say, when they say if you walk, you're not explain. Bam, you know. You know what I mean? That more if you do, you just get your number. You must have 10 woman number on your phone. So you call them, say sorry. When do you talk to them about that? Alright, let's go.
Must have 10 woman number in your phone. Come.
That's job sometime. And then,
real people for sure.
yeah, you can read people here.
Real woman.
So how they are going to know if you say
Then
In the matter.
they must say to walk. That the way that say somebody can't say sorry goes for.
Oh.
I like what I say. What you gonna say?
Say we explain to them later why you have to.
Yeah, if I say sorry, you know, bam. You go to the next one. Who on the language you ever work with? You don't have no time to explain to nobody.
Because I thought you know my phone. I probably have a full book.
No, never just sorry. Not take a phone and call.
Alright, so let's transition into the next thing. Let's transition.
Alright, what were they now? When last thing you should have while ago?
Time. So you have to go back for your gun, okay? You never
Yeah, go back for your gun now. Take up a gun and say you don't know. You know, say me, yeah.
My baby.
Say, take up a gun now.
Pretend like that, time up and go back for your
And go for your gun and then say, you know, say me have a right idea. You go apologize to every one of the woman them where you hurt.
Ready?
If you say no, you know, and you take one fist in the bed. No, you can't take fist in the bed. One fist in the belly if you say no, you know, then I go for the rope. You hear me? One fist in the belly, then I go for the rope for hanging.
One fist in my belly.
One fist in my that's the one fist in the belly. When you say no, you know, do it, you know, apologize, you know, because you want to tell me you have to apologize. Don't, you're like candy, you know, we can't work with you. You love licking me too much. But I woke up and forget
One of you was feeling it.
So, when I hear it, I'm telling you, text all it.
After the viewers, them are
And it depends on what kind of
the
lick.
viewers, them are watching. The viewers, them are watching.
Because I can't know how to take one lick, but I know how to lick everybody. So when I say, yeah, come with you.
No, I don't want to do. We just want to do.
Yo. Okay,
Yeah, I like how this man gonna keep on us.
Let's go! Who can't talk it them out tired?
Yeah.
Last time somebody get one lick, me say, you know mine. Yes.
Ready?
I go over there. I get ready. Check out some of your face. Alright, ready.
You know me have a right idea for you. Me gonna make you call. Me gonna make you call every one of them woman there where you hurt, and you gonna apologize to each and every one. Where book did they?
We come across something.
You put your name on it, son. Don't worry.
We know when you're going to
How much you cross off?
Look on the first page too. I mean, you write the first page last night.
I'm on the journey.
Somebody in here already did on my page, like Lisa, Shelly.
I don't know Lisa. Oh shit, never Lisa.
If you see a man who do that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I've heard about
Yeah, may I tell you?
I have book with me.
Yeah, I read some.
Even for the book,
But I think like a show thing. Yeah, I mean a show, but he there Jamaica too.
Woman do it.
So you feel like
A
that?
woman do it too. Me think them sitting around with them though, like.
Yeah.
You think say me not think that normal somebody go there.
Ego with something wrong with you.
Sitting not
It's
around.
like
with
So woman do
Yeah.
it, woman do it, something wrong with her.
Everybody have a mental
We all
problem.
agreed with that.
Yeah.
Woman do it, something wrong with her. Woman not do them something.
Write it back
What is
on money with
it? What is
the
it?
number.
Everybody have mental problem or some people have mental problem?
Everybody have, each and every one
I
have,
have no
have to
mental
have a
problem.
men. That's what you think. Like me talk to myself and answer back.
No,
Like
that,
I play two
that,
character with myself. Something wrong with that, may I tell you?
that not weird.
Something wrong with that.
That is not weird.
Yes, if I
Because of what you do.
listen me. Yes, if I talk to yourself, it good. But if I answer back,
Yo, tap your heart
something
from
wrong with you. You
yourself.
can't play a second character with yourself. Like something is definite.
So-
like me with there, so I say, yo, you know, say.
Someone is there, you know.
No, me there, so I say, you know, say, I fuck with that. Me there. No, man, you crazy. I good thing you do. Two character, me I say, right? They say, two character.
So you have split personality?
Yeah.
That is just eccentric, being eccentric. Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, so Joker dead. So Joker dead. Joker play character too good and dead.
Nice movie.
Yeah, remember that kill him?
In the movie or real life?
You see the Joker and play, he take him over, he start do it in a real life, and he kill him. So
I
all
know,
when
sir.
him dey on set and he might behave like he did that happen for true and nobody not realize.
What, Lexi?
And he kill him.
As I thought about that, you know.
Character.
As I thought about that, they kind of remind me of Harley Quinn, smartly.
Wait a minute, who that is? Who is that?
Joker girlfriend?
I watch Joker woman.
Oh,
He's
my
something
God,
like
my
that.
girl.
Oh, I'm sure cross them up.
She good man, she did.
Yeah.
A Joker
I just
good.
cross out the name alone.
Alright, come, put it
That's
down.
good man. Remember my name, Dominic, it's on the list.
So you get cross out on this?
Yeah man, my name Dominic.
Dominic Terry, though.
Alright, put it on this. Get the price.
I just say who did that last night? Me could have gone with and put it here. I need the show me the pan.
Lock the door behind.
Fire! You know come back out there, sir. So all that door here, so all you right there.
So what we have to know, we have to do transition and we call them then
I book more for all that door.
Yeah man, what me I said though, want to know have a thing where your phone fear ring, your sister call you. You not take the
Who
call.
don't ring phone?
Me go ring.
Alright, and make sure that.
Yeah, but no.
Oh, yeah, his sister.
You know,
Who
answer
is
just
sister?
a ring,
She
phone
or-
ring or not.
No, I'm
me-
sorry, you go answer my sister. You me answer my sister no? You say answer what? You answer like me go answer my sister. You tell your sister you get there. You know what I mean? About the case you know me can't answer.
So my phone there, so for true.
You know what I mean? So when you find number say sister, you know say now me can't answer.
About if me just go look pan here and no me can't answer.
I know answer.
That's it.
No, me can't answer. Me carry out and done.
Yeah.
And the call
So
back
me
in,
not be
you
a
know,
something like say.
no, him want answer, which answer what?
Oh.
You feel say, give me answer that for me and some sister, maybe answer urgent. You don't care about your sister and you. This is a mission so just make you call them. Make you call them by the time, because I like them want to run through the time.
Yeah man, we not rush.
You ready now?
Are you lucky there?
Now make you tell them. Now give me something, go to some more listen.
Alright, so come up front and walk with me and see. Don't back up there, don't back up there.
Okay, we can come because we don't worry about that river. I become.
No, I told you see me this
See.
No, that means I'm Mr. Come as well.
Okay. Start by us up with me see lighting.
We're not walking and see.
We see ceiling the white was here. But I'm going nice, look a bounce off. You know, I'm still not on the side like Marcus.
So after that, now the rough call, I was sending sister come. After I call a couple times, well, I send her come. After that, now you da come. After that.
I walk in, come back, come out.
Somebody a good one. You don't want to do
I always people know. Why we can't be bad?
Right, come on, no talking to you. One minute that idea.
I'm ready, what about?
No talking. Ready. Step back a little. Step back again.
Like front type book.
I know this side front. Oh. Yeah, this is part.
Come back and walk here. Ready?
You still not there?
They're in the front, first page.
Oh.
Ready now.
Ooh.
What are you right there? Ooh.
Oh, little dog.
Poverty no really is a mental whip.
Action.
For two?
It's true. It's very true.
You believe it?
No, you're sitting already. That's why I look at you. You think you're normal? See, each and every one of them. Yeah, but come on now. You know why you stutter either? Here? First one up on the list is Ashley. Make sure you have energy. Because it's just as though you have energy to hurt them. More you have energy when you apologize. You know what I tell you? Answer me. Answer me. Answer.
Yes. Well, let me get that shit and do the wire.
Shampoo.
You have a shampoo in it for?
No, a shampoo.
What?
You feel it?
Oh, I'm going to give you a jumping.
Can I wash me?
Oh.
Alright, so just talk to me. Just want to get some facial expression on your face. Now, before you grab it, like, before you look up on her, some facial expression.
Okay. Go and talk to you.
Yeah, not necessarily.
Yeah.
Grab me.
Ready now? Put on your book. It's all me I tell you if it's a sorry now. Say sorry. No, I need sorry, maybe say.
What if I just...
I want to make you say like
If
this.
it
Yes.
tell the girl them
Yeah,
sorry.
I'm say something, man. Go ahead.
Answer.
Grab me.
Ready now? Answer. Answer. You say if you answer.
Sorry.
Say yes.
Yes. I'm good. When somebody will call him?
Yeah, I remember.
Fire!
Where for?
There you go, man. Just get your
Where for?
Yeah,
let's
No,
start
on the phone, no.
You recording me?
I am.
You know, I feel the need to make me know when I record.
Okay.
Guess who you
But you wouldn't.
You gotta change the number in your phone to sister.
How will I call you?
I don't know. I have a number in another phone.
867.
8-3.
My record.
Come, me know nobody have a number. Right, hold on. We'll pause and come back.
Ready.
Look at you. Something like a fat hog.
Internet gone now.
Sweating like a fat hog.
Okay. Ready.
Come on again, man. Come and cut.
Sorry.
Yeah, I make a come ready.
The man, ready in reaction.
Look at you. Such a shame. God, you know, see a man.
Don't answer it.
You know, if
I'm a sister. I'm a sister.
No, yeah.
Answer it. I'm a sister.
No, no, man for that. Very good. Very good for that. I just want to put sis tonight.
This one is 69 still for you look more.
Put sis tonight. So right here, you know.
No, I'm not doing it. Let me do it here.
Put it in fast. Look at that position. Hey, don't use up your one.
Yep.
You guys didn't talk man.
The belly.
Yeah, it's for sure.
Dan, if you have a talking on the phone, I say,
Hold on, when you say use your tongue up on your phone.
They're smart enough.
you don't talk up in the phone, if you don't have a phone.
This is Richard Brown. Open that before the house.
What is the last name? The first name?
Can I watch it move out of I say move out of watch it Batman?
Some of them.
How much one of them?
Depends. I'll go and good watch. I'll go on $200 for.
Save you, save me?
$200.
Yeah, but I'm buying watch it $200.
That's not a nice watch. Go cost
Real
more.
gold one.
Nice watch costs more than 200.
A real gold one. So yeah, from birthday.
Michael, can I get Michael, of course, you know.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Police are coming. Answer.
Shut up.
Them are go suspect.
Shut up!
Them are go suspect. Say me.
Say the card one more time. Bust it there.
If they call me,
Shut up.
I don't get me. Them a come around here, you know. If you know, you let me go.
Why your sister takes so long to answer?
Let me answer it now. What the hell did she tell my mother she a call and I'll get? Dominic, listen.
Shut up! And we're going to start with Ashley first.
Listen.
Here?
Listen to me. You know say me hurt you, but this what you do is wrong. This is wrong. And I don't want to see you go to jail.
No, you make it call.
I think more put on hand.
No. You know, I give no something to grab and buy you. Because you grab you and when I start squeezing.
Start taking this shit.
Yeah, that's what I can let loose. Alright, ready now? Start off and take your time.
No, you don't we don't need to go. I say that get the car.
Alright, so
talk to her and say, oh, it's the wrong way I do, you know.
so what more you do? Open the phone, make sure you go on the phone and make some call and daddy.
No, we just get one shot just in case. Come on, just sit down while I go to my room.
Alright,
Sit
right.
down after, ready?
Dominic, what you're doing is wrong.
What you do to those other women?
Dominic,
That not wrong.
listen. It was intentional.
You sound stupid. You sound real stupid. You sound real stupid.
Can you just
Shut up. Shut up. Because the more you talk, the more you just get me aggravated. Shut up. Shut up.
Dominic, listen.
I just gotta save it right now, because I just want to squeeze it. I just gotta save you.
Dominic, me know me do some things, but it wasn't intentional. And this, if we got jail, Dominic, I don't want to see you go to jail.
Sorry. Put in your code.
If me put it in, Dominic,
Put in the code and shut up. We're just getting started.
Dominic,
Put in the code.
it's open. It's open. What you're doing is wrong.
What is wrong? What me I do wrong? Look at all them name here and number. People innocent. Girl child, look there. Look at this, Nate. Nate, look at this. Ashley.
It's not me who made me this way, no. It's God who made me this way, and I can't help it.
You trying to give a joke or something?
I'm not trying to give a joke.
I'm not trying to play Prime Minister. God who made it.
Oh, God made it.
God created
Oh, great chat about that made it. You're not God the first girl.
God created this for man.
For woman.
Don't listen to him. Make him play too much like character. Go. Ready?
Alright.
First girl, Ashley. 58338. Like
She
right?
did. She deserved.
Alright, doctor, double eyes. Ready now.
If I don't want woman, answer that.
Double eyes. Ready. Action.
That me a prayer. You're gonna apologize like you never apologized before.
Wait, open now. I know man for the couch.
Yeah.
Open now man inside now.
Don't take number to
Another
phone.
two, it is
Take the number
service.
to my phone now.
Take some number to your phone.
Go in on my phone.
Okay.
Just go in on my phone and call some number.
What, Abby?
Call man. Let's call.
This not your service. Not your service.
The
Can
signal
I
number.
go? May I go call them on WhatsApp?
Call them on WhatsApp.
Go in on WhatsApp. See.
Alright.
Any females in the call them, it don't matter. They're not going to name them. They're not going to name them.
I'm sorry.
Ready, let's go.
Sure.
What's going on, some time?
Don't call on WhatsApp.
Alright, put the Mel.
No.
Ale.
No. Go in on WhatsApp.
Rub the blood to that. Yes, man.
Please don't do this.
Apologize properly.
Should they work? Should they work with you?
Call them on.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You know, I like yours.
You. That's two different things.
No, hide one iPhone.
No, I don't have full on iPhone. I just speak you want it.
Yeah, that's the speaker. Let's hide one iPhone. No, man.
I go from my cousin. I go from my cousin.
Ring it back. Just ring it back.
I'm gonna ring back.
Yeah, let's ring
Put
back.
it
No, hide one iPhone. I can't put one on the one.
We're not neighbors.
But at this end I work off, I know. We can't put the phone as I see Mike.
Oh,
and so
yeah.
we're not going like to understand.
Okay.
So no. So you can hear you the start, man. Just to say.
Just say, yo, I'm sorry you're not behaving. I'm serious.
Alright.
Say it loud.
Yeah, you don't have to just worry. They are action. They are curious.
I'm sorry, babe. Babe, I'm sorry. Ashley. Ashley.
The one is a device. Good. That one is good. Don't stop laugh. Come here, put it on the
Only good, not a laugh.
Don't stop laugh.
I ready again. Most say next person, not call you. I'm sorry. Ready again.
Because I'm going to carry you in the chat.
Lisa.
Cover green right now.
She did work.
Shut up.
She's a Christian.
Ka Christian naman to.
Jadi di mana tu nak? Nak pergi mana tak film pun. Ano sa US na? Ano man din ako.
So brother, how you say you have woman I mean in real life? I can't find a woman for you.
Just call on and answer though.
If you not answer no.
No, if you know, you know.
I will tell them to you.
She's not really naked, people.
I'm naked.
No.
I tell them something.
Go away. Go away. Sabron. Exhausted as blouse and skirt. John, already I know though.
Yeah.
And then we have a legendary Malachi over there, so soldier man. Big up yourself. So Lexi, the best. What go on? Talk to people when I'm on. Yeah, that look tough, you know? Go and find me on Lexi's snap.
Look, I saw you now.
Like when me a salute.
I saw her.
Oh, people, Lexi can't make tea.
What?
No, I tell them say I can't make breakfast.
Oh.
So it's a nice toast, brother.
Regular something that's...
A regular you used to make breakfast for other people and get it right all the time, though?
Not right all the time, but I'll get it right.
Oh.
My wife not here, but I cannot reach it if I want to.
Say that again. I am.
We say, why am I talking about that?
But I cannot bitchy. I can act bitchy. Act like I'm not a wife material.
Okay, gotcha. So, you tell about the movie, because I'm not think Richie, no. What are you supposed to do? What was
We
supposed to
already do this
happen?
already for this same movie, Friend Zone. So why are we doing it a second time?
No, we never do this part. Like when I'm tired of the...
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, basically, you know, I'm being a friend zone no more. You want love. You want love and affection.
I love that though.
You want love and affection. You want to get intimate.
Yeah.
You start make a private part ruling. You don't want a good friendship no more. And that's the thing. Sometimes you force what you want to... Funny not meant to be, you force it.
I come do a little role play.
15.
Like me and some more things on supposed to depend on autofocus. I use this to focus. So I should try my acting skills and all.
Good on a little bit.
You don't know? Good now?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Remember something looking at shooting up.
then ruin it, people.
Alright, I'm going to send you over there. Oh. Well now?
Somebody Tanya Steven expose one artist who abuse her.
In the name?
Okay,
We
we
say
say
name.
last week, man, to come
We
to
not watch it.
the film with
Just
you, Grandest. The one thing I done, but come on early enough. So.
Then go stand in Richard, which is.
In the meantime, let's explore the restroom.
Shoot this in there.
Let's hold that and
Nice bathroom, people. Clean and pretty. You know, minimalist thing. Nice air freshener and thing over there. So, lights up there. And the shower no look bad. Let's see if we can look in at how this work now. So I saw it. Oh.
You're gonna make your phone ring?
Oh, seeing from this end. You looking there?
What shows?
Don't look bad. I want
What does that call around to come back? I can't go to.
nice little bathroom, man.
I want the same thing one day still. Remember? Yes, I may sit down on the first.
Sorry, first.
I have sit down.
Eh?
Let's not sit down.
I wish I were there.
Come on, this one.
Oh, wait.
I want to make the first call.
No, that's fine. We ask him, that's fine.
Alright, chill by yourself. Come, get yourself ready. What you want to say? I got to do something that's come out, so now.
AC breeze. I'm just want to hear it now, camera. Oh.
You can't put it on.
There we
So you just
go.
know, I fix up myself. Man, phone already. You go back and shit up on the phone. On the phone. I want to start talk. Hello. Sometimes when you take up on fire from the phone, we're going to go to the sound. You know it's correct.
No, I'm not saying Steve. Oh, you mean, oh, you know, I was talking on the phone. Oh, okay. Oh, well, yeah, man, I'll look in that talk, make sure, say, you can space some guys, your voice on telephone.
I can do. Already.
Then,
Before we go on part that already.
yeah, no,
But my
not edit, say no.
Oh, you shouldn't
Yeah,
edit.
no. Yeah, no, so just gear space.
So just like sound if you got the car.
No, really, it's on the video, so you play from, yeah, anyway, but you just have to hear what you and she hear you are saying. Gear space.
Yeah, well, if I check that spin good, more international spin. Yeah, right. Color comes straight to us and then comes to forward. Alright, check the next one.
Zine, so run through a little bit. What going on, so? Like a wrestling or some kickboxing, whatnot. Okay. Look like this belongs to the Indian culture. Find that somewhere over India there. And they know what to do. Turned up my eyes so look a bit. Over so same way. I think we're supposed to go back in a nigga looking for this. Man, they hook up business on TV.
Well, the bathroom.
Yeah. There's not a lot of shop.
So we have a team to be there, we have a team and a team. You find a shirt?
Yeah, man, sure. Thank you. Well, call me now, yeah.
No, man, the sir can come back now. We have to go upstairs.
This is my friend. It's a fixed 35 lens.
Oh shit, no, come on, phone now. Yeah, we're not phone. What's up? Very new.
Come on, ready? Ready?
Hold on.
I never do more than you can come on.
Maybe I see a black cat, I see a black panty.
That's tights, not underwear.
As a band is a big girl. But you don't get me.
Ready?
Hold on. Alright, let's see. We're going to do a test shot, so
It's right there for now.
I'll just come from the bathroom and ready. Oh, but if I ring your phone, I ring your phone, I go to.
I got this one.
When I go press the ring, I'm going to get the song afterwards. Can't shoot for this. Right, yeah, so.
That's Lexi's doing.
Myself, me and see, so I can't try to avoid the shot to me and see myself. Alright, ready now, let's see.
Hello?
Hello.
Wait, sorry. Want me to talk about it?
I'm here to talk to you, answer the music. Just talk to me. Just follow me.
Who is you?
The same person I was talking, you don't know me.
So are you a talent?
I'm going to call you already, so I'm going to call you now and tell you what you did.
Oh, so you're Right, let's do first the baby one. So after when she get that call, what she ever do?
You have a straight.
Oh, should I go run like you heard from
So she's going to take on some clothes and now, and that's what she got back and she's going to take off her some here.
Okay. Alright, so after when you do that now, let's see. You just run like you can run off some clothes. We're going to go back in the bathroom for some
Stand clothes fast. One shot, when I fast, take up your hands on.
Oh, so you're just going there.
Yeah, clothes under that way ready for you, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just jump to it, alright. So you just look like you're ready for dancing.
The lock by the lock.
Alright, ready?
Hello?
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 I'm only going to say this second time.
Sorry. Feel like you're about to run in mind.
And that is it.
Come on, you're about to run in mind. Here, go.
Alright.
Don't move again. Don't move to the mind. Go up again. So we just run one big shot. Rather than a big shot. So like, it's really shot, it's longer, but it's kind of up.
Leave the door open. Leave the door
Alright,
open.
Hello?
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 Yeah, listen to me for the last time. I think you're wondering and you're confused, but what I'm saying is real. Your friend, Akeem, your boyfriend then, one place over by your grandmother house, down on the bottom floor, tied up, and don't ask who I am. You see my nose, the number is private, so just do what you got to do.
Wait, first of all, who is this? Hello? Hello?
Them nuts.
Oh,
keep on seeing.
so take up. No, we can get that. We can go.
Yes, that's different.
Different. That's the method. That's the one of the things you have to get the car.
Oh.
And then we have to go to the thing you have to do. Here, control.
I'm very sure that I'm going to
Alright, go up now.
Go to the car.
Next time we go to that bathroom, I say I'm here, okay?
Alright. No, man, I have to go for this one.
No, really, important.
Really?
Of course.
Alright.
Stop it first. Stop it.
Lexi.
Alright, you're going now, Robo. You're going. I'm ready. Alright, good. So this is the time on a trade much we'll put it. And then probably buck him up on hide and no?
You guys go there.
Okay. Alright, can't grab it. Alright, so straight down to them.
Okay, we did have to pass it. So my grandmother.
Oh, but now we're not talking to me.
Yeah. You can never start with talking.
The whole time they must call him the same kind of shoes.
We can't set on a different now. I'm enough time now. We can't take 2 sleep to turn.
The shooting life. You enjoy the shooting life?
I am.
Yeah?
I like making these videos behind the scenes.
Why you like making videos?
Because them so candid.
Hmm?
At the end of the day, capture the real you people.
It capture what?
It candid means like when you mess up, you mess up. So like all the flaws, all the realness is captured. Yeah.
I true that. That's true still. Sometimes you're tired, trust me. You know, I should go over one scene or 50 times. You know that exhausting and frustrating.
Tell me.
I don't like that. That is one shot.
So what are they now? What next? I'll do my dad listen.
Eh?
I'll do my thing, my dad listen really. I don't know.
What are you going to know?
Mm-hmm.
We are going to go and follow you. Because you tired with 2 men.
Oh.
Right.
Call boy left on the camera. This is the new Z5 people. See, it'll get old or old looking. Right, that's how the end talk goes. Z5 right there. It's Nikon. Turn off, save battery. These microphones, I don't know what particular I'm using them for in relation to movies. I can probably use as prop, but I'm probably good at the weddings as well. Well, not probably. Light batteries, as you can see, well deteriorated and want some more. Yeah.
Yo, here. Look what should I see.
Oh, that thunder?
Yeah, look good on the fire and start falling. Probably need some scenes with me and you. Some more scenes with me and you. Maybe I tell Curious, what we can do with the scene, we don't have you hide a watch it.
Okay.
Really?
Oh, the little vial from the movie, people. So them little vial where them throwing an Alton mouth with whatever make him sleep for however long. Right there. What did I tell you about it being candid, eh? What did I tell you?
That's why you not get no views. Keep with them, kind of get no views. No nonsense.
You will learn over time.
You know, some people never learn.
Yeah, some people. May I get in a character, you know? Always a stalky and all them things. I'm really innocent for you, you know? But yo, like I'm not, I don't want to reach a mobile today.
I'm ready now, you know? Richard! Remember I want to leave.
Huh?
Remember I want to leave now.
You have to leave?
Yeah, that's something.
Alright, so Alton and shoot then.
Alton have to shoot the scene when they.
Alright, let me get my little slippers.
Alton have to shoot the scene when I see me see all the viewers.
There they are. Whew, interesting. So, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, or sanitizer there. I need to start incorporate this in the bathroom, you know, sanitizer. Yeah. I'll do soap would work same way, I guess. Yeah. I don't look at some fish. You know, never mind, come on. Time to go to my scene.
got 2 here and 2 inside.
One people look on so they want to fix this.
Special country.
That feels what too much special.
Where you buy my brother Louis Vuitton with polo for? Where two of them come in?
We don't pick up on let's see on care down.
Why two of them? Why two of them come in?
You know, see that trend.
I don't mean who buy a problem. I people who make it a problem.
I said no, I'm not the brother.
I don't mean who buy a problem. I person who
But
make
they say a
it.
polo Vuitton.
I say a polo Vuitton.
Just take up me
They confused them know which style them are.
But me, I said,
Them are cast up, but they know which one they want.
me said to myself, say, I don't polo that. I want man for one call with one axe.
That's my brother from yours.
I didn't curious about
They put on a reel and they pattern on a reel. No, they say two of them cash out.
Hey, one find out about I get these things from my agent.
Look, you buy some shirt and never not like to me. I take up and say, okay, this is Louis Vuitton. You go buy it. See what shirt I'm buying. Man, put the power house for me. I want to say, me never did buy it. Me never did buy the man. Me never did buy the man for the house. Just buy a shirt. No, let's see some shirts. What if it lock? Alright, this is like lock up people for gun in Jamaica. If you lock up people who buy the gun, who build the gun, and who bring guns from the camp.
Why they gonna do that? Because me even to myself, I couldn't walk. No, we not really go collaborate. No, it's not. People do it.
You know what happened now? You see when people bring out a brand, the China buy one item go to China and make $1 million night and it costs like
Alright, I don't have some mega shoot, right?
1 cent. Understand? It costs like 1 cent. So then you know,
So yo, I guess like that for the behind the scenes now. So we look good together, we catch you this hour like in the video. But you say you want to send them over your movie channel to me, boss?
Yeah, sorry.
I have a movie channel myself too. I think a Curious Cousin. I did.
Hey, my channel is Talk Up TV1. Okay? Oh,
Yeah.
sorry if you're talking. Yo, my channel name Talk Up TV1. And we're there with Aki Narrance, the body editor. Who are we smell and things. Yeah, man, and a big movie I shoot, and you know what I don't shoot about
Yeah.
Alright. You see me?
Yeah.
So just make sure you follow the thing.
Yeah, man, tell them what going on, man.
Yeah. With Talk Up, my channel is Star PI Vlog.
Alright, my general.
Things are going on, bag of things.
What kind of machine is that, right? That's
You don't know? I'm telling you to my face. We don't know. Because it's a desert eagle.
Let me see what going on, Peter. Alright, I saw it. Bad camera too.
my telephone come down before that you last minute. Wow, let it ready. Record so I leave me.
Rain is coming down. Oh, people, yeah, hit that for the behind the scenes from me. Remember if you like the video, if you make it this far, definitely subscribe. Subscribe if you make it this far. And you know, do a lot of things that the algorithm like. So no, later. Lexi, tell the people and bye.
Goodbye, guys. It was nice meeting y'all. I feel bored. Sorry.
Yeah, I know.
And next entrance go use
Oh.
I'll turn and say bye. Later.
Yeah, because they go to that and sit inside and they go. Is that right?
And Alton said, let there be light. Man, it's pretty down there.
That is pretty. And a man down too.
What's up? That's what I'm doing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I realize I could have full, you know. And show me, sir. You're gay, man.
I don't have any bones.
The dog's yeah.
How are you going?
What's your name?
And I'm man, you know. Watch him a wiggle tail. Fish, you know.
Not straight, man. You lucky in the time you're born, you know. Are you living in the time? That's like say I take a nasty dog.
You know, nasty. You don't feel them side dog.
And watch a bad man run on about.
So nobody can touch you. Tell about black people.
You see, I'm an animal simple, you know.
They don't bite, you know.
They don't go back to the other.
I bite him, one bite up your
No,
blouse
you know,
and
I'm
skirt.
friend of it on Sunday, you know, if you get it back.
What you want?
You just want to be friends. You want to be friends. You want to be with him though.
So how when me behave, so no friends me you want?
You're a
eh?
human, this is animal. No difference.
But the emotion, the mind, same thing. Eh? See, Altana do it there now.
A long time to say a little animal behavior.
That's a good.
Hey, we must say so for our phone in the chair. On the wall upstairs.
So when they? I am when they?
Downstairs in the house.
We're not shooting over there, so we are shooting.
Oh, no, but I shoot that.
No, we never signed to this. But a different one shot shoot there.
Oh, we space this is everything can this way.
Yeah, but if you could have cleaned up in here, I'm going about it. You can't even get to it. No place to take it. You're in a father man, your body shall shoot you, your body asleep. Your body will cut down to one
You
man.
woke me up 9 o'clock. No, 8:50 something.
You sleep
You think you live at 12 o'clock, drive home,
No, you
and wake up at 5. You get to the first. You have to rest your body, man.
4 hours you need, man.
No, man, that was someone.
Doctor say you need 4 hours.
That's what doctor tell you. You're Rasta, you know better than
Remember say yesterday, man.
But I use yourself.
Remember say the day before, I sleep, catch up in a second sleep. Then I wake up 5 o'clock and I stay entire day and edit.
Yesterday, I told my grandmother that grandmother close them.
What the phone?
I'm moving, man. Try to edit first. Shit.
I tell on the phone then.
He left right on the wall up the side.
I tell, but me send you for the phone.
What time?
But I try to edit.
What time, boy?
He don't have something.
I tell you, be your big belly, you need to take us away. Go for the phone then. I don't let them up. I am the last one.
Make like so. I see him run.
Go on. You are big belly, you need to take us away.
When they quit birth. That's why my bodybuilder man name.
All Liara say.
In the quit birth.
All Liara say, I'll tell you the big belly.
I Jim be in Jimbo.
I'll put a shake up.
That quit the birth, I'm not a bodybuilder.
I'll put a shake up.
I don't time try to do it now, move with them,
Go, you're too bad, man. The man shake his shoulders. In quit the birth one time, did you?
I shake.
I don't tell you how to go.
She can't quit. If he quit, he not be shake hard.
You don't have no things for you.
No, you know, so that's not trying to impress people.
You're coming here about money time, I'm not defend that.
Arrest now, you respect.
I'm going to fix me right now.
It's a sink in the belly and pop up.
Listen, so your grandma, I don't your granny close them.
No, that man there, my grandmother even have the thing them. You have the people them tie up. That the movie says, so this is on first and then difference.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
So where you pull out the key?
No, because only we couldn't think I have to pull out it.
Oh.
Wait, now.
Because you know, you when you use a lock and go lock up somebody around and you don't know where the key there. I don't know what they did. Suppose me did gone.
Me know it's there, I mean.
Turn on, fill it.
Come
Come on now, use it.
Oh, let's see. Let's switch on the back of the light. Turn on.
1 second one.
Light.
Say, thank you. Oh, you know, for the second.
I mean, you put the money. You're going fast, you know, man.
When I put the money then, right?
The day when we are going to put the money. I mean, can you keep going?
Yes, I want different one. I like one.
I'm going to carry that shot for you. You don't get it?
Yes, but I want that one. I want different one.
We have an idea.
I want the fan number 1, the fan. And number one bunch of key, you gotta get them in the switch room.
We don't like no flash with them boy, you know. With them. No, with this.
Chain,
Yeah.
You're not going to fake chain.
Yeah, come to closing now, so said we said routine. No lock the grill up.
No panty room.
But a woman don't like that work.
No panty room, my head.
Anything I didn't go through, your grandmother.
Wow.
How young girl was the name again, Diane?
Oh, sorry.
No, the bigger one.
Trudy.
No, the next one.
Shanique.
Shanique. Shanique! Shanique! Shanique!
No, I think you did it. I don't know if that works.
No, this is why I think I did there. This is what I think I found up on movie. Nothing too crispy. You're not going like alright.
Alright, I come down.
Yup.
Alright, I come down.
Start catch some shot with Lexi and screech from like.
Yeah, man, go on,
So, I want to do it now. I'm not seeing it.
Then I see. Let's catch some shot with Lexi.
Oh, I'm not seeing it, people.
Bye-bye, someone and shit. This is how I don't eat it.
No, seeing it.
This is how we are. No,
Yeah, we rust and I make bad at you. Sick well, I'm okay with
Dead cat. That's what they call this fuzzy thing here. Dead cat. Get rid of the sound from the wind. Awesome technology.
Get no shots when you there so and me, you have to get behind shots. Remember that?
I'm a pass on that.
You know, if I didn't go in the back room, I'm in the dependence. Bingy balls, sir.
Where you call me, Alago?
He's in the bingy balls.
Okay. How money me make up for this again?
You ready? Start rain. Ready?
Ready.
I want to be a rush and not think too much better. You have to relax. I make it in flow. You need to get more. I'm putting back. You just keep up as the
Rush him them in general. You know what thing going on. All done.
Mommy, step over 1 minute, please.
You tell him I step over 1 minute to die work.
I'm thinking, should I catch from the next angle or what? So this is me. Take everything I'm just video. I'm gonna put up this camera because I might see now. Now let them too far away. You see me? So, hey people, it's fun. Don't forget, movie is still in the works, but one day at a time. Nothing happens before it's time, so keep on learning, keep on making notes, add on the stories, and all that good stuff. Life journey, you know? It's fun. Met some really nice people in life, still meeting more, still going to meet more as long as life's fair. But until then, big up on yourself, Laragan, later. Subscribe, like, all the good things.